Welcome to the first in a series of training videos on how to set up a client in vAlert, which includes the importing of assets, setting up email templates, creating user groups, and assigning alerts to those user groups. We will begin by importing assets for a client. To do this, you will need to be logged into vAlert as a manager user. If you need a manager user set up, please contact EarthVisions. EarthVisions has prepared an Excel spreadsheet template to assist in this task. You can find and download this file by going to the main menu, then Asset Upload Template. Typically, this file will be downloaded to what is set to be your downloads folder in your browser. Let's take a look at the Assets template file. There are a number of columns here. The first is ID location number, which should be unique, identifying each asset. The second is the title of the property. The third column is asset type. Asset type here is referring to a business name or subsidiary or perhaps a category of some sort. Some clients will use a folder/category type structure. In this example, we will use Walmart as the asset type and also Restoration as a folder with Rest Company 1 under it. Next up is the address of the asset or property, followed by the icon. This icon will represent a marker on the map for the asset. Current available icons are available in the drop-down menu here under the icon column. And lastly, we have contact information for this asset or property. After filling out the template, it is necessary to save the file or export it in the CSV format. Let's now move on to the vAlert system to import a client's assets. From the main menu, navigate to File Upload, then Asset File Upload, and choose the assets file that you just saved as a CSV. Choose comma for delimiter. Click Submit. You are presented with the Maps column screen. Double-check the mappings here and make sure the appropriate column is mapped to the corresponding attribute. For columns such as contact, name, email, and phone, metadata is the correct mapping for these. Click on Submit on the top right. The import process will continue in the background. You will receive an email when the import is completed. You can also navigate to File Upload, Asset File Processing Status to check on the status of the import process. After the importing of assets has completed, from the main menu, navigate to Assets, then Filter by Asset Type. Since one of the asset types we specified in our asset template file was Walmart, we should see that here. Check the box to select this. Collapse the Filter by Asset Type menu. Next, navigate to Proximity Search to see your assets on the map. Draw a shape on the map or zoom in on the map in the general area where the assets are located and select Current Map View. Click Search. You should see your assets on the map, and those assets will also be listed on the left-hand side. This concludes the video training on how to import assets for a client. In a future video, we will be demonstrating how to set up alerts. Next up in this series, we will be showing how to set up email templates in the vAlert system.